So in this video I'm going to show you how I remove a tree. So I usually start by removing as much dirt as possible from around the roots, from nearest to the base of the tree. By doing this, then I can use my axe to swing in and cut those roots, and then I'll eventually try and just start trying to push the tree over. If the tree doesn't move, then I move around a little bit more to see what's stopping it. I'll use the axe more to cut some more roots, and I'll keep testing to try and push the tree over. So I hope this video demonstrates just what I was talking about then. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment below, and of course if you can subscribe and like the video, that'd be great. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah.